Hey folks, welcome to SuperAGI. In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can use the Docker Hub for the installation of SuperAGI. To get started, activate Docker in your system and create a new folder. I have already created one for myself on my desktop. Then head to the Docker Hub URL mentioned in the description. Open the terminal and change the directory to the newly created folder as shown in the video. Copy and run these set of commands mentioned in the video description in your terminal and finally build the Docker. We'll speed up this process to save time. With this, you can access the SuperAGI in dev mode. Now, I will explain you how to run Docker in production mode with GitHub auth. Open up the Visual Studio Code in your system and open the folder you created. Navigate to config.yaml and in the auth section change the variable from dev to prod. Optionally, if you plan on hosting SuperAGI on your server, you will need to config an S3 bucket for input or output resources. Follow these steps. Head to Storage Type and set it to S3. Then just below it, add these details to your config file. You can find them in the description below. Now we'll have to fill in the GitHub client ID and the secret. To get the client ID and the secret, head to the GitHub developers URL, or you can get it from the Docker Hub page itself. Register for a new application and fill in the name. Also fill the other required fields as shown in the video. You can easily find them in the description. Once filled, register for the application. We now require the client secret. To fetch it, simply click on Generate a new client secret. Copy the client ID and the secret and paste it in config file in the Visual Studio Code at its desired place. Save the file and rebuild the Docker in your terminal by entering these two commands: docker compose down and docker compose up -- build. Finally, head to your browser and search for localhost :3000. Authenticate it with GitHub and you are ready to run SuperAGI on your local machine. That's it from my side on Docker Hub setup. Let me know in the comments what use case you are working on right now. See you next time.